There may be times in LabVIEW where you need to search for a particular element in the array, and that can be found under Arrays and Search 1D Array. So for this example, let's say I want to find this 40. And if I look for 40, I hit Run, my output here tells me that it is at index 3. So if we go 0, 1, 2, 3, and that is true. So what the starting index is it'll tell the node where to start searching for. So if I put index, let's say 2, and I hit run, this is still a 3. But the starting index started at 0, 1, 2. So it started at this 30 and then started counting from there. But now let's say I put in something like 5, and I hit run. This -1 is pretty typical for some computer softwares that this is an error. It started at this 60, which is the 5th element, and it continued 60, 70, 80, and it didn't find the 40, so it just returned this error here. The start index can be used if you have really large arrays, and let's say you have an array of 1,000, and you know your first 500 has nothing to do with what you're looking for. That's where you could put in like start index at 500. It saves the computer time. Instead of checking every single element to compare against the value, it can just start from a different location. So this is Search 1D Array. It comes in very handy, especially when you're looking for one element in an array. It only works with 1D array and does not work with two-dimensional arrays at all. So hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for more.